Well, here is the second order from Herrschners. Their big sale. Taking advantage of some of their dollar yarns. I may have gotten another yarn or two outside of the dollar yarn range. Woohoo! All right. So, nope, I got all dollar yarns. I got this beautiful 100% wool. These are like mini cakes. These are the Dahlia. And I forget what color this was. Grassland, I think. Yep. 100% wool, 147 yards. And it looks like a thin yarn 1. It says it's a 1. And that's about right. Yeah. So this would make a beautiful garment, I believe. Or it could be like a runner. So then I got a couple of packs of Cub. Got a lot of colors here. Now Cub is 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. So this isn't something you could use in the microwave because it would melt. It's 88 yards a skein. It looks like a 4-weight to me. Yep. And it is very pretty and looks like a really squishy yarn. So I got, let's see, this is I don't know, I can't see the color. Lily pad. And this looks like this one doesn't seem to have a color listed on it. It's like a light mint. This is a turquoise. It's called Clear Spring. This is like a chocolate color. This is a really nice chocolate color. It's called Forest. And this is like a light baby blue. Powder blue. So I'm going to open up the Forest because I want to see how it feels. This is sealed. This is sealed in. So if you buy 10, you get a sealed container of the yarn. Sealed bag. Oh, that's really soft. That's wound really well. I mean, that's a really solid construction. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with this. These are dollar yarns, and they are good quality. Beautiful colors. Very saturated and subtle. I'm going to try testing one of these 100% wool. Sometimes wool can be scratchy. So let's give it a shot, see what it feels like. Ooh. For 100% wool, this is soft. That center pull comes right out. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. Wow. I never thought wool would feel like this. Very, very impressed. This is Willow Yarns. I think it's the mill attached to Herrschners. When you look at their website, you see them, at the top of the website. There are two tabs. One says Herrschners and one says Willow Yarn. So I kind of feel like Willow might be like the original mill, and that Herrschners maybe grew up around the mill or something. But wow, so happy with this purchase. Try to get some of this yarn before it's gone.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.